Hey everyone, Vintage Fan Collector here, and today we have a Whittle Baby Winco.
So little and small.
Okay, that's Jared, the mentally challenged human being.
I mean, yeah, you're not wrong.
Anyway, so I got this on Facebook Marketplace along with a really early 1977 Zephyr with different brackets. They're like a very crude version of what we know as Zephyr brackets, and we also got a 52-inch GE Vent 4-blade Winco and a 79 Victorian. Jared has those fans. So I got the Zephyr and this little Winco. This thing is freaking cool. I absolutely love it. It's very adorable, and it has 6 blades obviously, so it's my first 6-blade fan.
That said, it was a giant pain in the bumhole to install. The screw holes on the motor are just a little bit out of line with the blade brackets, and it just makes everything complicated and a general pain. Woo!
So yeah, there's that. I'll go ahead and demonstrate the light kit here. Judging by the basketball pull chain, this was in a kid's room, but the couple who moved into the house and put these things out for sale was replacing them, so I recommended better fans to replace these with that won't be pieces of garbage. So I guess whoever lived at that house before, this was in a kid's room. These shades are very nice. They are very early 80s and I really like them. So it's kind of nice to get a new breed of shades in here. We'll go ahead and start it off on low.
This fan is variable speed.
And it's pretty fast for low speed.
Yeah. Aesthetics? What aesthetics?
Yeah, but it is tiny fan.
True.
So yeah, there's that. The lowest it goes. I mean, it's not actually that fast. I mean, it's okay, I guess.
It's decent.
It's functional though, so
yeah.
I'll give it that. So we'll go ahead and move it up a little bit. Although I don't know if that's enough to make a difference.
Oh, definitely.
Oh yeah, it is. It's moving faster. I haven't felt a variable speed fan in a little while. Or an IntelliTouch for that matter.
Don't expect any IntelliTouch fans from us tonight.
Oh yeah.
Or we got Mother Nature's about to spit all over us.
Well, that's not why I just don't feel like getting an IntelliTouch fan out.
That too.
They're kind of all buried. I don't feel like dealing with that, so. Jared, please stop moving that because this bike decides to spin on its own for some unknown reason. It was doing that the whole time I was filming Delta 2 and I couldn't make it stop. I pushed it back and it moved back and I was like, please stop. I was trying to hit the camera. Just don't touch the bikes.
Mildly terrifying.
Don't touch the bikes. I don't know why it's like that. Just don't touch them. Please. Sorry. And then...
Fidgety Jared is fidgety.
Yes.
This is probably what? The second time we've done this year?
Oh, joint testing?
Yeah.
Maybe the first this year. I don't know. I don't remember.
We both got jobs, so that makes things
Well, I've had a job for a while, but I've just been going through a lot of mental garbage, so I haven't had the motivation to come out here and do this. I've had the time, I just don't feel like it. I spend the time in bed. Okay, that's...
Other way.
No? Oh yeah, you're right. It's a
Can you
different...
tell we don't know how to work a variable speed fan?
It's not that, it's that K63 and Casablancas go the other way.
Whack.
So I'm used to going that way. I'm used to it doing this. And light dimmers do that too usually, so this one's backwards. Don't know why. Because, you know, why not, right?
I blame China!
Okay, Trump.
China!
Stop. Yeah, definitely going faster now. Yeah, and as you can see, you guys can't see it, but standing right under it, these blade arms are like uneven. Like it's kind of crudely made in a way, I guess.
It might.
Alright, we'll go ahead and go high.
What I think I might do is take a close-up video of that and then forward it onto you so you can insert it into the video.
Oh yeah, and the light kit takes all the... Hey look! It's moving the light kit! It's just not tightened. So it's just gonna do that. Yeah, this thing's a little wobbler. Hey, you better stop. No! Stay! Where do you think you're going?
I have a mind of my own! You can't stop me!
Yeah, that's about how my day's been going today.
That's a backward.
No.
Nosy Jared is nosy.
You can turn it off. And while I'm filming, there's things going on. How about that? Yeah, that's a really, really light pull chain. That's the one thing I noticed.
Yeah, really.
You don't know when you pull. You don't know when it's really turned off or not because it just feels like it is broken. It's not like a satisfying pull chain like this. It's like so loose. It's weird.
This.
No, it doesn't even make a sound. It doesn't even have a sound.
Sure.
And that's what's weird. Like you don't even hear it. That's the other problem.
Sure.
But yeah, I dig this thing a lot, and honestly, if I ever have a tiny room, this is gonna definitely go up. This thing is freaking cool. I'd put this up before I put up a Lady Delta, to be honest, because it's just so neat. It's got the little 6 blades, and I don't know, it's just cool.
First time I've ever heard him say that.
Yeah, because there are certain non-Casablanca fans that I would like. I just don't come across them enough, but I really love early 80s chunk like this. And I love the semi-ornateness of it. Like I like the little details on the GEs.
Yeah.
It's neat. And I like the switch cap. That's what really drew me to it when I saw it in person. I was like, "Oh, this is even cooler than I thought it was." And I like the little knockoff Casa canopy too. Like it's kind of funny. Cuz the one that you got has a regular bell canopy.
Yeah.
That's what makes it even more interesting.
Big
Is
funk.
that there actually is another Winco at that house. I don't know if they've replaced it already or not. They said they would call us or text us whenever they got to it. So maybe they didn't or maybe they forgot. And it's one of the two. I kind of want the 52-inch one, but that's just me. Jared probably won't even give it to me, but it's okay. You can take your mounting bracket, by the way, since it's right down there somewhere. It's next to your Fasco. Yeah, it took them a little while, but they finally found the mounting brackets after the fact, and I just happened to swing by on the way to school Monday and picked them up. So yeah, in the interest of the fact that I need to clear more memory on my camera before I continue filming, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. I hope y'all enjoyed this little baby Winco. It's a 42-inch or...
36.
No, it's a 30. I think it might be a 38, actually.
36, 32.
36, 38. It's not 32. It's definitely not 32.
That's right.
It's either 36 or 38. Or 40-inch, maybe. Anyway, it's a small fan, basically. I'm not entirely sure the exact dimensions, but I think it's probably on along the lines of a 36 or 38-inch based on that. Based on the looks. Oh, it started to rain. So anyway, he gets out the measuring tape. Oh!
38.
I knew it. I knew it, probably 38. Okay. So now we've settled it. It's a 38-inch fan.
Yes.
It's a lot easier to do with these fans, like 4 and 6 blade fans, because the blades are right across from each other. So.
Other than with the 5-blade fan where you have to join.
4 or 3.
Oh God.
Anyway, so yeah, that's everything that we have to cover in this video. As y'all know, I don't really care for reverse very often, so I'm not going to do that. Whine all you want about it in the comments, I don't care. So anyway, thank you for watching again, and I hope you enjoyed. So look out for the Zephyr that's from that same house. That'll probably be the next fan that we will test. So anyway,